Good morning students. From this video we are going to learn various information about hydrosphere. What is mean by hydrosphere? It means water. All living beings need water to grow and lead a healthy life. For example, everyday human being should take 3 liters of water for the proper functions of our organs. In this lesson, we are going to see the formation of water in Earth's surface. Introduction. We all know that our planet Earth consists of 4 spheres. They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. In the previous chapter, we have studied about the lithosphere and atmosphere. Now we are going to learn in detail about hydrosphere and biosphere. Hydrosphere. The word derived from Greek word. Hydr means water. Sphere, that means sphere. Hydrosphere, it's one of the most indispensable natural resource on the earth. Indispensable means most precious, most important, and it's the total amount of water on a planet. And the earth is also called the blue planet. The earth is also called the blue planet because more than 71% of land covered by water. The Earth's water originated around 4.6 billion years ago. 1 billion means more than 100 crore. Hydrosphere consists of water of various forms found on the Earth. Over 97% of the water on the Earth's surface is confined to oceans. Less than 3% of water is held on land as glaciers, ice caps, groundwater, rivers, lakes, etc. etc. Then hydrological cycle or water cycle. The Earth's water is not stable. It's always rotation or motion. This continuous movement of water on above and below the Earth's surface is called the hydrological cycle. The 3 major processes involved in the water cycle are evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Water resources of the earth can be broadly divided into 2 types. One is fresh water, another one salt water. Now I will say elaborately the process of water cycle. First one, evaporation. What is mean by evaporation? When the sun heats up the rivers, oceans, water becomes water vapor and rises up in the air. This process called evaporation. This is the first process of water cycle. Next, condensation. When the water vapor reaches up in the air, up in the sky and turns to tiny droplets of water. These water droplets along with various gases and dust particles come together to form clouds. This process known as condensation. And third one, precipitation. When the clouds to become heavy and cannot hold any more water inside, it bursts open to give rain, hail and snow. This process known as precipitation. Then fresh water. From where fresh water comes? Fresh water comes from rain. Rainwater is considered to be purest form of water when it compared to the oceans and seas. because it contains very less proportion of salt. In world, major part of fresh water is found in the frozen state in the form of glacier and ice caps. For example, Antarctic, Ocean and Arctic area. Less than 1% of water found in the liquid state as rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, etc. Surface water may also penetrate through porous rocks and gets collected beneath the earth's surface. This is called groundwater. This is called groundwater. And one more information. Here in the world, Finland, the country known as the land of 1,000 lakes. There are 1,87,888 lakhs in Finland. Then oceans. We all know in world there are 5 oceans: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The continents and oceans are, however, not evenly distributed in the northern and the southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere holds 61% of land, whereas the southern hemisphere holds 81% of water. So, the northern hemisphere is called as the land hemisphere because moreover land, more than 61% of land in northern hemisphere, and southern hemisphere called as water hemisphere because southern side of the earth surface covered by water. And so in this pattern of land and water distribution, the northern hemisphere distribution, 2 types. And oceans and seas are considered as resource bowl of the earth because the immense availability of food, minerals, etc. Present distribution of the sea. World's oceans and major seas are illustrated in the map. Then relief in the ocean floor. The ocean basins are characterized by the 6 following major relief features. There are continental slope, continental rise, deep sea plain or abyssal plain, oceanic deep and oceanic ridge. First one, continental shelf. A continental shelf is a portion of continent that is submerged under area of relatively shallow water known as a shelf sea. These zones become the richest fishing ground, and these zones lesser depth thus enables sunlight to penetrate through the water. This encourages abundant growth of grass, seaweeds and plankton. The richest fishing grounds are located in Canada, that name the Grand Banks of Newfoundland. The continental shelves have extensive deposits of minerals and mineral fuels. This zone become accessible for oil drilling and mining activities. For example, here in India, Mumbai High in Arabian Sea, ONGC, India's largest oil and gas exploration and production company. ONGC, full form of ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Its latest estimate is that about 20 million tons of oil reserves are found west of Mumbai High. offshore. Mumbai High offshore. Then continental slope. A steep slope which descends from the edge of the continental shelf to the deep ocean bed is called the continental slope. It forms a boundary between the continental. It's form a boundary between the continental crust and the oceanic crust. This zone is free from deposits as they are steep. The most important characteristic of continental slope is the presence of deep canyons and trenches. Hence, aquatic life has very slow rate of metabolism. Then, continental rise. At the base of the continental slope is a gently sloping layer of sediments which merge into the deep. This underwater feature found between continental slope and abyssal plain. It consists of submarine fans which are similar to the alluvial fans found on land. This is called the continental rise. This area in seashore, this area called continental rise. Deep sea plain or abyssal plain. The deep sea plains or abyssal plains are underwater plains found on the deep ocean floor. It formed by rivers. Because the flow of river merged with sea or oceans and deposited alluvial soil in seas. It's also called underwater plain. It is found on the deep ocean floor. These plains extend from continental rise to the mid-oceanic ridge. The gradient of the slope is very gentle and it appears as a uniform flat and featureless plain. These plains are usually covered by the thick layer of sediments composed of clay, silt and sand. Abyssal plain in the Atlantic and Indian Oceans tend to be extensive than the Pacific Ocean because majority of the world's largest rivers empty their sediments into either Atlantic or Indian Ocean. Example: Amazon, Ganga and Brahmaputra. These rivers deposited the alluvial soils in the Atlantic and Indian Ocean. Then oceanic deeps. Trenches are the deepest part of the oceans and occupy about 7% of the total relief of the ocean floor. The ocean temperature in the trench is slightly cooler than the freezing temperature. Epicenter of the great earthquake are all found in the trenches. Epicenter of the earthquakes found in the trenches. Dragon hole is the deepest known underwater sinkhole in the world. The local fishermen call it the eye of the South China Sea. The local fishermen call it the eye of the South China Sea, that is oceanic deeps, that is trenches. And last, oceanic ridge. The oceanic ridge is a continuous submarine mountain chain. They are made of young basaltic rock formed when two tectonic plates move apart. The mid-ocean ridge is probably the most extensive single feature of the Earth's topography. Two of the most well-known mid-ocean ridges are the Mid-Atlantic Ridge and the East Pacific Ridge. The Pacific Ocean called the Ring of Fire because surrounding of the Pacific Ocean mostly covered by volcanoes. So Pacific Ocean called the Ring of Fire. Thank you students. Thank you for the watching video.